Mateo here. Does it say record? Hey guys, it's Mateo here, and today I got these really cool things. Now I'm gonna shoot one really high, and my cousin Brianna and my cousin Joey and my little brother Adrian are gonna watch. Ready? I got it! Did you hear that sound? When it came down? I'll do it again. The ballerina! No ballerina. Maybe that was really lucky. And we just had s'mores, and today we're having a sleepover. Oh, that wasn't high. That wasn't high that time. But I can do a super high. Please leave likes. Oh, that's high. Where is it? Oh, Mateo. That was really good, Joe.
So guys, if you want this, please make the craziest comment ever.
Yeah.
And you'll get this thing shipped to you.
Free.
Oh. Is that even possible?
Okay, now I'm going to try.
Yeah.
Probably mine.
Okay, so what did you say?
I'm going to try.
Okay. If you want these,
Wow, that's
leave a comment about you wanting this, and we'll give it to you. So leave comments, and you'll get one of these. But if you want them by yourself, they're just at Toys R Us, Harmon's, Kmart, Toys R Us. That's where you'll find them. They're like rocket copters. They're called rocket copters. So, there you go, guys. Those are rocket copters. Hope you like the video. Leave comments if you want these. Bye. Especially leave comments if you want this. They're sick.